Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are all very well. Today's content in our video is how to share location on Google Maps all the time. Without further delay, let's start our video. First of all, you need to open your Google Map. After opening it, at the top, you will see the icon of your profile, right? You need to click on that. After clicking, you will see an option below called location sharing. You have to click on that option. After clicking, you will see an interface like this. So below you will find an option called share location. You have to click on that. After clicking, you will see for 1 hour and a quarter, which means you will write it as equal, so you can generate the link and share it for up to 12 hours. So now the content we have is about how to always keep sharing the location. Below it, you will see an option. You have to click on it. After clicking, scroll this way. For example, after scrolling through the context, you will find an option called mode. You need to click on this mode option. After clicking, you have to send it through your Gmail to that Gmail. Okay, we provide a Gmail here. Now we'll send it using this Gmail. Below you'll see an option called send. You need to click on it. Then you have to continue. Alright, so this way you can share your location for the necessary duration. So friends, are you liking our video? Then like, subscribe and share the channel.